is February 12th, February 16th, 2024, and winter storm warnings just got issued for like our area, so we're gonna be waiting for that. This is the first winter storm warning of the season, so snow's coming down, man. Look at that. It's crazy. It's only been snowing for like 2 hours maybe, and the grass is completely covered at this point. It's crazy. It ain't stopping soon either.
Monday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows.
Here we go.
In effect until 1 a.m. Saturday. What? Heavy snow continuing. Additional snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Storm total accumulation of 3 to 7 inches likely. Where? Portions of east central and southeast Indiana and central, southwest and west central Ohio. When? Until 1 a.m. Saturday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio.
The first winter storm warning of the season.
Then partly cloudy with
and it's almost the end of the season.
Total snow accumulation of 4 to 6 inches.
There we go.